Hey there. Thanks for taking the time to try out Aiden today. I'm just going to give you a brief introduction about the platform. I know what you're already thinking. There's going to be yet another monologue of product introduction, right? I unfortunately agree it is a bit boring, but it is very important that you understand the power of the platform because there's a lot of leverage in general. AI coding space is moving so fast, and there's a lot of leverage that you can derive by using one workflow versus another or one product versus another. So that way, if you really understand Aiden, you will be able to get a lot out of it. So I really urge you to stick around until the end. It's going to be really worth it. Now, why did we build Aiden? So we've been on the edge of AI coding, building Supertest. We've been using this tool as an internal orchestration layer, like because we were pushing our Cloud Code, Cursor, Codex, all of these tools to their limits, and we saw a bunch of problems, and we solved our own problems. And now we are exposing this to community to help them with the similar problems. So it is a software factory essentially that help you um, do the entire pipeline in a mostly autonomous way, like right from your requirements to creating tasks to iterating on designs to implementation, testing, and going to production. So I'll talk about a few specific problems so you understand how it is helpful. So if you have used Cloud Code in a pro at a pro level, you would have run into the situation where like you're running 5 different Cloud sessions and you don't know which is which. And first of all, you don't know which agent needs your attention, and second, swifting through all of these tabs is extremely exhausting and fatigue for your eyes. We felt that really badly because we were running like 10 sessions at the same time, and we could not manage it. Like it was all like super chaotic. How Aiden solves that problem is that like we group everything as a task. As you can see, there's a bunch of tasks in the task board. One of Let's go to one of the tasks here. I can describe what I'm trying to solve for, and then you get a session started. Like you can use your own coding agents, Codex, Cloud Code, like all the CLI agents, and then you start the sessions, and like all of the context related to a particular task is organized very well into the same pane of glass, right? Second problem is the context. If you have used Cloud Code and even with MCPs, the context across sessions is not retained. You told something for a particular feature. You said something to the agent, and like it keeps asking you in as soon as you start a new session. So all the context tasks, comments, your PRDs, documents, and like every session is recorded in Aiden context graph, and the agent will be able to recall. For example, you can go to this second chat and reference the first chat, or like reference some sort of like documents, for example, right? You can different reference another task or some sort of artifact sessions. All of that you can reference, and it's like insanely powerful. When the agent is aware of more information, it will be able to get your task done much more quickly and much more accurately as well. The third aspect is the automation and like orchestration. So basically, after a certain scale, like 3-4 tasks, like it's very hard to manage these agents, and a lot of times you just end up saying continue or like let's go and these kind of keywords in to the agents. So the orchestrator on the right bottom, there is an orchestrator. We call it Buddy. And you can just talk to this guy, and this manages all of your tasks, right? Like it will be able to reply to those agents. Let's say there are like 10 different agents working in parallel. It will be able to babysit those agents for you, and it's like your manager or like tech lead. You can operate like a CDO, and this operates like a manager managing all of these independent junior engineer agents as such. So I can just ask like what task do I have. It will be able to go through my tasks and answer that question. It can query everything as well, like everything in the context graph we have, like it will be able to query. And while it responds, the other cool thing is you can set up like a bunch of workflows as well. Let's say you want code review, like security scan every morning, or like you want to have a production monitoring skill that you want to run like every other alternative hour and things like that. It'll be able to, we can set up that as well. So the entire SDLC with agents is going to be orchestrated. That's the future for sure, and Aiden is built for that future. Now, yeah, as you can see, it has given us, some list of tasks. We can just click and go to those tasks as well, like, token estimation, rate limits, and all of these things. It was showing, it gave me a list of all of these tasks, right? Like, I can see what is like priority. I can even ask it to prioritize, just like I do with a manager. Anyways, enough of introduction. I want to quickly go through and show you a couple of onboarding steps. It's pretty simple. Once you install the desktop app, all you have to do simply is that, so like I said earlier, it works on your Cloud Coder codex. You simply have to go here and make sure that you have, it detects automatically if you have coding agents installed already, like I have like Cloud Code codex and all of these agents. First thing, make sure that you have an existing coding agent installed, and you'll be able to use that. I'll show you how. But after that, like you need to, a default team would have been created for you. For example, our team is called Aiden Engineering. So you need to set up a workspace path for it. Like if you have multiple repos, just keep all the repos in the same in a centralized directory and give that path. But if you have like single repository, simply just give that local path here. You set the local path here, and then you will be able to go and create a task. And be able to execute that. Let's say you fill in all the basic details. Let me go to an existing task already that I have, and I can simply go ahead and either start. If you put in all the description, you can just hit start or create a new session. Your machine will be selected, and then your coding agent can be selected, Cloud Code, and then model. Let's select Opus. What do we have in this code base, right? So then, yeah, this is just Claude working on stuff behind the scenes with all the nice stuff layered on top from Aiden. Hope it's helpful, and I'm looking forward for you to use the product and give us the feedback. You can simply drop in the feedback here. There is this contact founders button here, and you click it to send us a message, and I'll be responding to you as soon as possible. Thanks a lot. Have a good day.